You don't suppose she could really be sick, do you? Oh, I've got to go home right away.
But what's this? I thought you were going along with me.
Oh, no, I have to get to her right away.
Huh?
Come on, Toto. Come on. Goodbye, Professor Marvel, and thanks a lot.
Better get under cover, Sylvester. There's a storm blowing up, a whopper. To speak in the vernacular of the peasantry.
Poor little kid. I hope she gets home all right.
Get them horses loose. Where's Hickory? Hickory!
It's a twister. It's a twister.
Oh, Miss Scott!